Zdravo, kako se koga šta kaj ovaj pad, kada ako nebo muzičkата емисија Hard and Heavy се наоѓаме на местото за осторството, се наоѓаме на Алпите, во Томин, во Словенија, и тоа по заслуга на нашиот спонзор Hard Rock клубот од битова од Широк Сокак, и покрај мене се новите соговорници, каде ако не во музичката емисија Hard and Heavy станува збор за бенд кој го негува, значи мелодичен power, симфо, готик стил, нешто измеѓу интересно. Станува збор за бенд кој ни доаѓа од Австрија. Станува збор за бендот Serenity. First, welcome to the TV show Hard and Heavy.
Yeah, we're super happy to be here at Metal Days, and also for you and all the fans here. Is it from Slovenia, right?
No, I'm from Macedonia.
Macedonia. Sorry.
1,000 kilometers from here.
So to all the fans of Macedonia, really, we were super glad to be here. Really nice.
Yeah. You are first time here in Metal Days, huh?
Exactly, it's our first time here, and yeah, beside the weather, everything is fine.
Yeah. You have the great show. I'll be there, and the front and the line, and after be the many rain, but be the real fans who is cooperating with you, and atmosphere be the very good, nice. Raining rain, but it's not problem. It's amazing show. Your great voice, your great special elements together with a female vocal. Tell me how you started and when you started, and how many years exist, and how many recording albums.
It's quite easy to answer because upcoming year in 2017 we're gonna have our 10 years anniversary, because we released our first album in 2007. So next year we're gonna have our 10 years anniversary, and it all started as a band quite local from Tyrol in Austria. We started there as mates, let's say, and after some while we had some lineup changes, and now we are super glad with our current lineup, because I guess it's the strongest lineup we ever had, and we're gonna stay like this forever.
Yeah. Tell me, why you take it the name Serenity?
Again? Sorry.
Why you? Who is the
head of Serenity?
Serenity, the name.
Then look on the left. That's.
Why take it the name?
The name.
Why?
The name originally was a song by a British band called Arena. They had a song called Serenity, and our former keyboard player, who was a big fan of Arena, he suggested, okay, let's name the band Serenity because it's sounding good, it fits to the style, this symphonic power melodic metal, and so that's the story behind it.
Tell me, who write the lyrics in the band?
I think in the former records it was more like the whole band was doing lyrics. On the last record it was half, let's say, by him and the other half by me. So because of course of all these lineup changes now, of course also the parts in the bands and the chops in the band are changing. So everyone is doing what he's doing the best, and that's, I think, what you can listen on Codex Atlanticus.
Where take the inspiration for the lyrics?
Naked women. No, just kidding. In general, we are always dealing with historical stuff. For example, Codex Atlanticus is about the life of Leonardo da Vinci. And also the former albums like War of Ages and Death and Legacy. Every song was about a historic person, a historical theme, a special battle or whatever, because we're all quite into this historic stuff. So
maybe now they have the new material. They're recording the new album.
We are already in the songwriting progress of the next record. I think it will be released in, we don't know exactly, but in 2017. So we started, we had the first sessions, and everything is working pretty fine. So I guess all the fans can just looking forward to another really cool record in the style of, let's say, Codex Atlanticus, but let's see what we will do for you, I guess.
Do you see? Do you see the new album? It's coming for Serenity. Don't remember.
We're not lazy, never.
You must buy the new album who is coming.
Also the current.
Yeah. Tell me, next year, the 10 year, the celebrity adventure, maybe the DVD, the live celebration.
There is no fixed plan, but it could be, because we are gonna play some really big, cool festivals upcoming year. So there would be the possibility to shoot some live stuff, and yeah, who knows?
You great design for the art for the albums. Who working design?
Who designed it?
Yeah.
It's an artist from Hungary. Yeah. I just don't. What is his name?
His name is Guyula. He also worked for Gravedigger. He works for Stratovarius, and we are really very satisfied with his work. He's really, he did a great job, and he probably will do the upcoming album again.
You in the stage just like a Beast and the Beauty. Where the beauty?
He is a beauty.
He's a beauty.